everyone. I am Afnan from GIS Addiction. I am studying in 9th standard. This is my project is drip irrigation. Drip irrigation means the project drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is also known as fill irrigation. This method of water directly to the plant's root.
Can you use in a project?
This
What are the components have you used in a project?
I use sensor, motor, and the holder of the battery. Battery and battery holder.
What operation is it? What is it doing? Explain the function of the project.
Good afternoon, sir. This is hemodialysis working model. Today we are going to explain hemodialysis working model. When kidney fails, the patient go to the medical center for dialysis. This is blood pump. It pumps the blood and it goes to the abdomen. Medically device that continuously inject the patient body. This is dialysis filter. It removes wastewater by circulating of the body.
There is a flow. We remove the waste and etc. We remove the venous pressure. We remove, absorb the pressure in the right atom of the heart and move the air from the edge of the air. We remove the air drops and everything. This filter is used for the filter blood. Filter blood and introduce human blood.
We take pure blood from the body.
Thank you.
Excess water to form a pale yellow urine. When the letters are pale of 20% the urine to the urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a small gland-like organ that stores urine for some time. The urethra is a 20% of the urine out of the body. Other organs are explained as kidney. My name is Mujahid. I am studying grade 4. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jivan. I am studying grade 4. Well, GIS Register Science Expo. Our topic is digestive system. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Kushi Bichana from grade 4. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Samat from grade 4. Welcome to GIS Register Science Expo. Our topic is light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line because it is a wave that is in the shortened path between two points. Example, light travels in a straight line. Light on a lamp, torch, strong, sunlight to a dusty atmosphere. Light travels in a straight line called rises. Thank you. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Samat. I am studying grade 4. Welcome to GIS Science Expo. Our topic is measurement. Welcome to GIS Rising Star Science Expo. Our topic is causes and effects of air pollution. Causes of air pollution. Burning fuels, tractors and vehicles, ballistic firecrackers, burning waste. Effects of air pollution. Dirty air affects breathing. It may cause nose blocks, running nose, sneezing, wheezing and asthma, as well as irritation of the eyes. Germs in air cause various diseases like flu, tuberculosis and so on. Prevention of the air pollution. Factories must filter harmful material from the smoke before releasing it. Do not throw things in the garbage without trying first to reuse or recycle them. Carpool, walk or use a bicycle to travel. Thank you.
Welcome to GIS Science Expo. Now I am going to explain about how to make solution. Take one glass, add some water, add some sugar, and mix. The sugar will dissolve. After mixing, we can get our solution. Thank you. solution. Take one glass, add some water, add some salt and mix with the salt get dissolved. Thank you.
My name is Pasha. I'm studying grade 5. Greetings, I'm Amira Fatima from grade 5. GIS, welcome to GIS Science Expo. How to shadow, formation of the shadow, shoulder shadow and normal shadow. When the sun is lower in the sky, the shadow formation will be longer at morning and evening time. When the sun is overhead, the shadow formation will be shorter. Thank you.
Welcome to GIS Lessons. My name is Vedan Kuda. My topic is volcano. Volcano means all colors, hot lava, some volcanic ash and gases to escape from a magma chamber below the surface.
When Earth becomes very hot during the global warming. Global warming is a rapid rise in temperature. Thank you.
Welcome to GIS Rising Star Science Expo. This is me, Ravihan from grade 8, and I'm talking about litmus paper. Litmus paper is a common pH indicator used to test the acidity or alkalinity of one solution. Litmus paper is acidic solution. Two litmus paper. It undergoes colloidal when it is exposed to an acidic solution like this. This is acetic acid, this is citric acid, and this is hydrochloric acid. This color change happens because of the presence of hydrogen ions in the solution. These hydrogen ions react with trimolecule, which is a pH sensitive. This interaction changes their chemical structure, causing them to reflect red color. Red litmus paper in basic solution. It undergoes color change when it is exposed to a basic solution like this. This is soap water, this is ammonia solution, sodium hydroxide. These color change happens because of the presence of hydroxide ions and hydrogen ions. These hydrogen ions react with trimolecule, so we have sensitive, and this color change occurs. Thank you.
Why is water
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Darshini and this is my friend. I'm Kirtana. We are from grade 9 studying in GIS Rising Stars. Welcome to Science Expo. So we are here to explain more of water purification. Water purification is the process of removal of waste impurities like sand, stone, bacteria, etc. This model is a physical representation by the methods involved in water purification. This can be a science project which uses the materials like stones, foam, sand and water. Stones, they trap the big debris like leaves, twigs, etc. Coal acts as a color absorbing agent and gives a fine quality and taste to the water. Sand, they trap these small particles like silt and sediments. Cotton is a final layer and it's a fine fiber which collects the small particles and gives a clean water. It removes the contaminants like chemical, biological organisms and sedimentary soil from the water. The steps involved in water purifications are collection, filtration, sedimentation and fine filtration. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. I'm Tasnain from grade 9. I'm Nitya from grade 9. So this is our model, the acid rain. Acid rain is a type of precipitation that contains high level of nitric and sulfuric acid. This acid can damage environmental infrastructure and the effects of acid rain, burning of fossil fuels, industrial processes and vehicle emission. Effects of acid rain are environmental damage, burning of fossil fuels. Solutions for acid rain are reduce fossil fuel conservation and by working together we can create more healthier, reduce acid rain and create more healthier and good environment. Thank you.
The topic is periscope. A periscope, we turn the instrument
steps that mold blending experiment in colleges and schools nowadays.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to GIS Science Expo. Myself, Aishwarya from grade 9. I'm Divya from grade 9. We are here to show the amazing art public life in your body. The heart is a vital organ that pumps blood towards our body, supplying oxygen and red blood cells. It's a remarkable machine that beats 1,000 times of day and pumps over 2,000 gallons of blood. The heart is located between the lungs in the middle of the chest. Structure of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ consisting of 4 chambers: right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Right atrium receives oxygen depleted blood from the body. Right ventricle pumps blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Left atrium receives oxygen from the lungs. Left ventricle pumps blood to the left atrium through the veins. Interesting facts. The heart beats 3 billion times in the person's lifetime.
Sure.
The production of offspring by sexual reproduction includes the fusion of 2 gametes with each complete haploid set of chromosomes. This is called as meiosis. There are 4 types of meiosis phases. First, prophase 1. Chromains condenses to form chromosomes and homologous chromosomes are paired up. In metaphase, homologous chromosomes are lined in between the cells of chromosomes. Anaphase 1. Homologous chromosomes are separated and move towards the opposite poles of the cells. Telophase. The cells are pinched and divided.
Meiosis II is a mitotic division that separates the chromatids of each chromosome into 2 daughter cells. Meiosis II is also a second division of meiosis I. Stages of meiosis I. Prophase II is the first division of meiosis I. Nuclear membrane begins to coil up each other. Metaphase II. Metaphase II is the second division of meiosis I, where the chromosomes begin to line up along the cells in vitro. Anaphase II. Anaphase II is the third division of meiosis II, where the sister chromatids to the opposite ends of the cell. Telophase II. Telophase II is the fourth division of meiosis II, where the cells reforms and split into the next cell.
Distillation is a method of getting a clean liquid from a solution and evaporating and condensing the vapor phase. Can explain when we boil the water will absorb the heat and water forms vapor vapors and move into condenser and forms huge water around cold water. Cold water moves upwards by the hypo water pump and comes downwards. This process is called fractional distillation, where the separation of liquids and difference of boiling point is called as distillation.
Right.
I'm Ravi from grade 9 studying GIS resin stars. So my project is about solar panels. Let me tell you what exactly is solar energy. Solar energy is the energy which is emitted by the sun. It can be harnessed or used by technologies like solar panels, thermal panels. Now I'm going to show how exactly the conversion takes place in solar panels. First is the installation of the solar panels. As you can see here, I have installed the solar panels on a surface. Second is the absorption of the solar panels. Once the solar panels, the photovoltaic cells the solar panels is going to absorb the energy from the radiation, which charges the electrons, and that will flow through a circuit known as electrical current. This electrical current is known as the direct current. And then the next is the inverter current. The inverter is going to get the DC and it is going to convert into alternating current, also known as AC. The final step is this AC current is going to flow through light poles, houses, homes, and businesses. That's all about my talk. Thank you.
Acts as the primary lens of the eye and screen of the right part of the eye, which protects the internal structure and the eye and the light increase.
Ina marat
ನಾಲ್ಕು. ಆಯ್ತು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದು
DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a double helix structure of DNA can be linked to a distinct
ಹಾಂ
When the light of the sun after striking them reaches us, the most part of the sun by the around the earth.
ಹಾಂ
The sun is bigger in size than the earth and
It organized the cell wall. It responded only the plant cell or it is a protein. Thank you.
Welcome to GIS Racing Star. Lead cell microbic is blood circulatory system. It is clear from the diagram that blood in our body circulates in flows in manner. That is all the time through blood vessels. The blood flows through blood vessels and is regulated by the heart. The heart acting as a pump push and the blood moving from the whole body to the blood vessels. Such a type of blood circulatory system called muscular system. Here blood flows from the heart to the body tissues without vessels.
Thank you,
My model is there are three types of all the faces are equal. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. Cuboid opposite faces are equal. Cylinder is nothing but which we use in houses again cylinder. Sphere example earth and ball. Hexagon it is a six-sided figure. Oval is nothing but it is a egg shape.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ
That which facing to the sun is known as the day. That which facing away from the sun is known as the night. That which facing to the sun is known as the night. And which facing to the away from the sun is known as the day. Thank you.
ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಹಾಂ ಹೌದಾ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡು
Volcano means as the those hot lava volcanic ash and gases escape from magma chamber.
They will not become very hot during the global warming. Global warming is a rapid rising temperature. And the shadow formation is reaching for I am taking grade 5.
ಹಾಂ
Reading, I am saying that I am going to explain about how to make solution. Take one glass, add some water, add some sugar, and mix. The sugar will dissolve. After mixing, we can get a solution. Thank you.